Why do I support Donald Marshall? Why do I tell people that he's telling the truth? Okay. I'm supporting Donald Marshall because I appreciate that I finally found on the internet, on this whole fucking thing, somebody who is willing to speak the truth. And he does. So few of that is going on the internet. So few of people are doing that. You know, there's always, it's either mixed up with something else or it's a fucking bullshit agenda, you know? And I really appreciate about this guy. He tells the fucking truth. You know, if you've been looking like at conspiracy theories and, you know, all kinds of shit, because, you know, there are those of us who want to know what's going on. You know, there are people, I mean, that's the inclination of the human being, to find out things, you know, and then they give us a name like, you're a truther. What the fuck is that? A truther. Suck my dick, asshole. You know what the fuck? It's just, we want to know what's going on, and we got the right to know what's going on, because, hey, motherfucker, look, we're here, and I don't want nobody killing me or killing my kids or my friends or my people or whatever, you know? I don't want nobody doing that shit. Anyway. Yeah, I just lied. I don't have kids. But I'm saying, there's a lot of us that do have kids, okay? Yeah, why do I support Donald Marshall? Because I appreciate that he tells the truth. You know, and nobody else does. I tell what I think I know. I really don't know anything. All I know is from looking at the internet. I don't know from experience. You know, I've never been there. But I will tell you that his story does fit. I've been looking at this shit on the internet for 15 fucking years. Ever since those 2 big buildings came down, I was like, what the fuck? That was just bullshit. You know, that didn't fucking seem right. You know, these people are trying to get over. Somebody's trying to get over, and that's bullshit. So I was like, what the fuck is going on for the last 15 years, okay? And I found this guy, and I think he's telling the truth. Look at Donald Marshall, okay, people? All right? I don't do this for anybody, you know, and I'm nobody, okay? If I was somebody, I'd probably be dead already, you know? But look at what he's saying. Listen to him. And this guy, Phil Schneider, too. Look at the Phil Schneider videos. Listen to what he said. It all ties in. It all makes sense. Yeah. And it sounds crazy, but guess what? You're really living in a movie. Hollywood is full of shit. Hollywood makes all those movies, you know, from what? From real stuff that's going on. Gene splicing, cloning, time travel. How many time travel movies have they made? 50, 100? You know, they have no imagination. They just do what the fuck is really going on, and they mix it and convolute it with this magic bullshit that they try to fuck everybody's head up with. It's magic, you know? So, yeah, anyway. I support Donald Marshall because he tells the truth, okay? That's why. And I love the truth. I just love the fucking truth. Because you know what? If I don't know what the fuck the truth is, I'm afraid. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? You know? What the fuck is going on? And I'm like, wait, whose side should I be on? Who am I, you know, where is the enemy? Don't even know. Now I know. Listen to this guy, I'm telling you. Donald Marshall talks about VRIL, talks about cloning, talks about all the shit that's going on. Queen Elizabeth, Vladimir Putin, he's got scoops on all this shit. Listen to him. Listen to him. He's telling the fucking truth. You know? Again, I'm nobody. I don't know this, but I feel it in my gut, to the core of my being, that this guy is telling the truth. Okay? That might mean something to somebody, you know? It's not going to mean nothing to the big upstairs, because I ain't nobody. Those fuckers don't even know me. But I wouldn't steer you wrong. And I wouldn't want to steer you anyway. I'm just saying, you look for yourself. Decide for yourself. I wouldn't even try to steer you. I'm not a steerer. I don't steer anybody else's life. Fuck all that shit. I got enough trouble steering my own life. What, am I going to fucking try to steer yours too? No. That ain't me. You know? Anyhow, check out Donald Marshall. He's telling the truth for whatever it's worth, okay? God love you all.